Right now, I'm going to show you how to use Gorilla Glue. I've got this statue here that's outside. I think it blew over in the wind, it broke, and I'm going to show you how to apply it. So for the Gorilla Glue, you have two ways that you can apply this. So if you unscrew the entire cap here, it's got a brush, so you can brush it onto whatever you're working, so that's pretty cool. Or, it's kind of the old-fashioned way, if you unscrew the top portion of the cap here, you would just pour it out and apply it that way. So I've decided I'm going to put it on the base here. So I'm just going to go around the base here with the brush it on, and then I will set the top portion on here. So let's go ahead and get started here. So for that, I am going to try the brush. I've never used the brush before. So it's got a drop on there already, so I'm just going to kind of get started here and just lightly paint it on here. You want to use a nice thin layer. You don't want to use too much. If you use too much, it will affect the bond and it won't cure properly. So don't use too much. I'm going to try to get it on fairly quickly here and then get the top portion on. Just a little bit more here. I want to put a nice layer on some of the thicker portions. And it's already getting kind of tacky. And so that's it. And now I'm just going to set the top part on here. Being careful not to get it on my hands here. I don't want any of that on me. And there we go. So yeah, there's a piece missing right there. Nothing I can really do about that. But now I am just going to let it sit here. It will start to harden in about 45 seconds and set, but then it takes a full 24 hours to cure. So I'm really just going to kind of let it sit here without anybody messing with it. I'm just kind of putting some pressure down on here. I'm going to hold it here for about a minute and then let it cure overnight and then put it back outside. It's been 1 minute and it's already taken hold there. So I don't want to hold it too much. I don't want to mess with it. Give it a full 24 hours, but just to show you, even after a minute, it's already really working great. So there you go. That is how you use Gorilla Glue. Pretty good stuff. It's got a really strong bond. You can use it on a lot of different materials. You can use it on plastic, wood, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, paper, and more. Just be careful. There are a few plastics that they list on the back of it that they do not recommend it for. Hopefully that was helpful.